Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for being here today. We're here to talk about a critical topic that affects not just our safety, but the overall integrity of our operations: open flame hot work in the hydrocarbon industry. Hot work, such as welding, cutting, and grinding, is essential to our industry, but it also presents serious hazards. A single spark can lead to a catastrophic incident if we do not take the necessary precautions. Hazards of open flame hot work. Let's start with the risks. In our industry, we deal with flammable gases and vapors, such as hydrocarbons and hydrogen sulfide. Even a minor leak or residue can ignite, leading to explosions or fires. Additionally, hot work can result in burn injuries and pose a serious personal safety risk if not properly controlled. Risk assessment and job hazard analysis. This is why a thorough risk assessment is the first step before any hot work begins. We must identify potential hazards, conduct gas testing, and implement necessary control measures. Never assume an area is safe without proper testing. Your life could depend on it. The hot work permit system. To ensure safety, a hot work permit is mandatory before any work begins. This permit outlines the required precautions, duration, and responsibilities of workers and supervisors. Following this process is not optional. It is critical to maintaining a safe work environment. Fire prevention measures. Fire is the biggest risk associated with hot work. That's why we use gas detection equipment, fire blankets, and barriers to contain sparks. A fire watch must be in place during and after the work, at least 30 minutes after completion, to catch any potential flare-ups. And, of course, fire extinguishers must always be within reach. Personal protective equipment. To protect ourselves, we must wear the right gear. This includes flame-resistant clothing, welding hoods, face shields, heat-resistant gloves, and fire-retardant barriers. Remember, PPE is your last line of defense. Wear it properly at all times. Emergency response plan. Even with all precautions, emergencies can still happen. It is crucial that we all know the evacuation procedures, muster points, and fire suppression techniques. Additionally, we should be trained in first aid for burns and inhalation injuries to provide immediate help when needed. Final thoughts. Hot work safety is not just about following rules, it's about protecting yourself, your colleagues, and our workplace. One mistake can lead to severe consequences, but when we work together, follow procedures, and stay vigilant, we can prevent accidents and ensure everyone goes home safely. Thank you, and stay safe.